Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to create a client sub account in Go HighLevel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. A client sub account in Go HighLevel is a feature that allows you to create separate accounts for different clients or businesses under one main Go HighLevel account. This is particularly useful for agencies or service providers who manage multiple clients. Each sub-account can have its own set of contacts, marketing campaigns, sales funnels, and reporting tools, allowing you to customize and manage each client's needs individually. So when you log in into HighLevel, you will be in your agency dashboard. To add a new sub-account, click on the sub-accounts from the left sidebar menu. This will open a list of any existing sub-accounts you have. If you're just starting out, this list will be empty. Click the blue Create Sub-Account button. You will see an option to create a new SAS account if you are on a SAS plan. SAS stands for Software as a Service, which allows you to charge clients a monthly fee for additional features. If you don't want to use this option, select Regular Account. You will need to choose a snapshot to start your client sub-account. For instance, if your client is an attorney, using the attorney snapshot can provide a useful starting point with the relevant components like websites and funnels. If you prefer to start from scratch, select the blank snapshot option, which is what I'll be doing for this video. You can now search for the business if they have a location or click Add Account manually to enter their details. Make sure to include their business name, location, phone number, and time zone. Click Save to create the sub-account. This section takes you to the sub-account management section of your agency dashboard. To access and manage the sub-account, click the Switch to Sub-Account button. If you log out and want to return to this page, go back to the Sub-Accounts tab. Find your client and click on it. Then click Switch to Sub-Account to enter the sub-account. You will need to give your client access to the sub-account. To do this, switch back to your agency view by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting Switch to Agency View. Click Settings in the bottom left, then Team, click Add Employee in the top right corner. Fill out the information for the user. Then create a temporary password that you can share with them. In the next section, set the user permissions according to what you want your client to access. The final section involves setting user roles. For a client sub-account, select Regular Account and choose whether they will be an admin or a regular user. Make sure to add this user to the sub-account you created. Click the drop-down menu, search for the sub-account, and click Save. This sends an email notification to your client, granting them admin access to their new sub-account. And that's pretty much all about how you can create a sub-account in Go HighLevel.